In the first picture, we can see food coloring and oil doesn't mix. It is because food coloring is non-polar and oil is polar. In the second picture, we can see if we put oil into the water, the food coloring starts to diffuse. Oil sits on top of the water because of its density. And when the liquid starts to interact with water, it starts to diffuse into the water. In this experiment, we're gonna use oil, water, and food coloring. I have 4 different colors and you can add more, as many as you want.